Let's move on to a little activity to get into some of the details that might affect how the implementation, the deployment of EV charging equipment might happen in the real world. If you're talking about a parking lot, putting in that high-powered electrical equipment, that's probably different from most parking lots, which maybe they have street lights, but don't typically have 240-volt power running through them. So how does that affect how parking lot designers need to think?
Yep, so cost is always going to be important, and as we've mentioned, the wire that's needed for these is pretty expensive, so you're usually trying to minimize the length of that wire. In terms of priority, EV parking spots are usually designated for EV only. They are second in priority to handicap spots. So the location of the handicap parking spots needs to be identified first, and then you would identify where the EV charging stations go next. And so after you've mapped out where those handicap spots are, you're going to be looking for the next closest spaces. Again, try to minimize that wire distance. So the next closest spaces would likely go to the EV charging spots.
We hope you've enjoyed this presentation and have learned something about EV charging. As noted at the beginning, we would love your feedback on this training, and this QR code will take you to an anonymous survey where we can learn how to improve this and future training opportunities. So again, I'm Andrew Grigsby with Viridiant.
And I'm Sean Shanley.
And on behalf of the Advanced Ready Workforce Southeast Project, thank you very much.